We've talked about Blizzard machines and brushes a lot. This is one he had retired. Said that they had to pull it out last week because it just wouldn't start. I plugged it in. I've got it all disconnected now, so I can't show you. But when you plug it in and turn it on, if it doesn't start, and you can tap this spindle, essentially give it a jump start, and it starts, it means you have bad brushes. We've talked about this a lot. Bad brushes leads to eating up motors, and eating up motors lead to brushes don't solve the problem anymore. Come on, there you go, right? So instead of this nice bronze through and through, we have eaten that up. So I'm gonna pull the brushes and change them anyway. I do have new brushes, and we'll show you the difference between the old worn ones and the new ones. But also, this is not okay. And it doesn't look like we have a lot of room, but we have a little. We can loosen these bolts, and then the motor itself will slide away and put some tension on it. Yowza! Yeah, there's supposed to be a big piece of graphite on there. So that's just metal on metal, man. Just grinding away. Also, this is a thing that they've definitely done to look. See how that chip is out right there and there? So when you try to get these out, if you try and pry them out, that breaks. So I just had a heck of a time pulling this because there's not really threads in there anymore. So thankfully there's enough. But when you get it out, you have to use a tiny little screwdriver. I poke straight into the center, and if it's small enough, it'll pop. All right, so I got the brushes in. I got this retightened. Get those brushes. Yowza. What am I doing? All right, we're gonna put Humpty Dumpty back together and fire it up. So remember, I pulled this unit out of the graveyard. I didn't run it first. Look at that. Now it makes sense. This whole unit's just catawampus on its head, where its head hits the body, so that's not lined up. This actually happens with old machines as everything gets janky. All right, nothing a little tightening up and some metal filing can't do. Rolling. I don't want to put the cart in front of the horse and assume here, but they're saying they have to manually make this mix every day and pour it in there because the dispenser just doesn't work. Doesn't work on auto, doesn't work on manual. I wonder if people realize there's a power flood. Let's see. Let's see. She's buried. Alright, it is plugged in. And I do have 24 volts coming off that transformer. So that means I got 120 coming in, I got 24 volts coming out. I just got nothing happening on this board. So, Coke owns this machine. I just thought if it was something simple, I'd roll with it. So let me just call Coke, get them to fix it.